Hey guys, we're back.
It is 3 o'clock in the morning.
Officially 3:21 actually.
Oh my gosh.
We're a little bit delirious. We've been working all night to bring you December's box. We just finished packing it all up and we're going to ship first thing in the morning. But we were so excited about January's box, we decided we were going to go ahead and do our unboxing this morning before we go to bed. And so if we're laughing or a little bit goopy right now, it's because we're on very little sleep. But we still wanted to talk about what we've got for you next month.
Okay, so January's box, it's actually going to have a theme. The theme of the box is going to be based off of New Year's resolutions. So we chose some of the top New Year's resolutions that people make every year, and we are doing a play off of those with each of our products. The first one being to be healthy. So everybody wants to be healthy, get fit, and you could do that by staying hydrated and drinking more water. So the first item that we're going to have in the box is going to be the LC water bottles.
Stainless steel, double insulated. It's got a vacuum seal top. Two different prints. We have the palm leaf and the pineapple. These are perfect to stay hydrated. We're excited about LC. It's a great company started by a woman named Bethany. And she gives 15% of their profits to water charity, which has helped over 5 million people have access to clean water. They have an interesting little background story, so when you receive your little booklet in your box, you can read a little bit more about them. They do specialize in swimsuits, and they are a low carbon footprint company, so we're excited to feature them and to introduce them to you.
The second resolution that we are doing is going to be to volunteer more. So the product that we have is from Green Tree Jewelry.
It's right here.
Okay. We have these cute little, let me see.
They're little globes. They're adorable.
Here we go. Very focused.
Okay, so these are wooden jewelry. This was an interesting company. They started out as a baseball bat company that was in danger of bankruptcy, and they started to change their focus to arts and crafts, selling at trade shows and craft shows around the country, and they were actually really successful with the wooden jewelry, particularly earrings product, and they are made in the U.S., eco-friendly, and they give back, support local businesses. And so we want to make sure that you can help to give back to your community as well by simply supporting a business who does that. So Green Tree Jewelry, they've got some really beautiful pieces, so you can check them out.
Show this again.
Let's go ahead and show that again.
They're super cute. They're very lightweight, and look at the pigmentation. That color is gorgeous. We're super excited about these.
All right, so our next resolution would be to be less stressed. So next item that we have is from AC, Simply AC. This woman's name is Amanda. She hand makes all of her products for their company. These are shower steamers, so it's a cute little package, a little jar, and it's a little steamer. It's like a bath bomb, but for your shower. And so it's made with eucalyptus and peppermint essential oils. So you drop that into the bottom of your shower or put it in a soap dish in there and let it mix with the steam and release those aromas. Those essential oils help you to clear your sinuses. They help with migraines, help with headaches. And it's such a cute little
The packaging
jar.
is.
It's so adorable.
We were really drawn to the business for the packaging itself, and then we realized how awesome they were, which makes it even better. Cute and awesome.
And Amanda locally sources all of her products, so she supports people around, I believe it's Montana.
Yes.
And so by supporting her, you're supporting local as well. The next resolution
Is to
travel more. Who doesn't like to travel? I love to go places.
So we're featuring two different items from Busy Beauty. We have the gigantic showerless body wipes. We have 3 different scents. We have dandelion dragon, peppermint pomelo, and Kiwano star fruit. And these are, as it says, gigantic. They're a big body wipe.
They're not your average body wipe. They're, I think, 3 times bigger and 2 times as thick. They won't dry out. They won't tear. They're perfect just on the go, just to kind of freshen up.
They smell really good. So you can take these, you can throw them in your gym bag. It will be one of each one. Well, one in each box. But you could throw it in your gym bag and take it with you, or say you're going out after work or something and you don't have time to go take a shower, you just freshen up and you're good to go. Then we also have the dry shampoo, also by Busy Beauty, and it's made from oat and rice starch. It doesn't leave the white residue, and it smells really good as well.
So Busy Beauty is an interesting company. The founder, Jamie, came up with this idea while she was in the shower, actually, and she was panicking because she didn't have enough time to fix her hair and do her whole beauty routine to feel good about herself that day. And so what their kind of their mission is to help us to get our time back, because we know sometimes it might take too much time to get ready. So if you want to travel more in 2020, this is TSA approved. What else can we say about them?
They have some really interesting products too. They also have a dry conditioner and a waterless shave gel. So all together, if you have the dry shampoo, the dry conditioner, the shave gel, and the body wipes, you can get ready in 5 minutes. So
get out
that's
the door,
really cool.
get all cleaned up, and that's one of their missions. So these are great for travel. So those are our 5. Oh no, those are 4. We have one more item.
So there's 6 items in January's box, just like in December's box. So instead of 5 normal ones, we're doing 6. And the last one,
this is from Second Nature by Hand. Go ahead and show them the towels. It's a little tea towel.
it says, be grateful, eat more vegetables, help others, be present, play outside, and pay it forward, which are all great things that we should be doing.
But in 2020, the resolution here that we're trying to highlight is spending time with your family or the ones that you love. So you can do all of these things at home in your kitchen with this adorable little tea towel from Second Nature by Hand. So that's something 100% cotton. It has care instructions in the little booklet that we're going to send out.
Handmade, one by one, hand printed on here, which is really cool.
So if you got November's box, we actually featured Second Nature by Hand in that box as well. And we have a little giveaway that we wanted to also talk about, speaking of this company.
Right.
So that's January's box. And then for our January giveaway, so if you subscribe to our box by the end of December, you have until the 31st. You will be entered into a drawing as long as you share the post where we're featuring this beautiful handmade sign from Second Nature by Hand. So you would go in there on our Facebook or Instagram and share the post, as well as tagging 3 friends.
And be a subscriber for January's box.
You have to be a subscriber, and make sure that you like or follow us on Facebook and Instagram. If you have both, if you only have one, that's fine as well. So
yeah, this is super cute. We love this.
Hello, beautiful.
It'd be super cute to hang in your bathroom or your bedroom or just set place wherever, because you can either set it down on the table or you can hang it from the wall. So this is super cute, and we're excited to give this away.
So make sure that make sure that you are putting in your orders by the end of December. And you can use our promo code for January's box, which is Good Vibes, all in caps, all one word.
And that will get you an additional item for free in January's box. So you will get 7 items total. It's really cool. It's a lot of stuff. So we are super excited about this box, and we hope you guys are too. Let us know in the comments what you think. What's your favorite item? What are some of your New Year's resolutions?
Mine is to get more sleep tonight, or this morning, hopefully. We're going to ship here in a couple of hours when the post office opens, so you should be receiving your Good Vibes box before Christmas.
Yeah.
So we're excited. We put a bunch of extras and goodies in there for a whole bunch of people. So
thanks for your support.
Get excited because
Yeah.
it's going to be a good one.
All right,
Yeah.
you guys have a wonderful Christmas in case we don't talk to you before that, and a Happy New Year.
Bye.
Bye.